Good morning. My name is Sumayya Hassan. I'm here to talk about multimedia teaching method and literacy. Multimedia teaching method and literacy. First of all, we can define the terms. I will start by explaining what multimedia is. Multimedia is a content that uses a combination of different content forms, such as text, audio, video, audiovisual gadgets, and animation. This is what we call multimedia. Talking about teaching methods, we are through with the multimedia. Talking about teaching methods. Teaching method comprises of the principles and methods used by teachers to enable student learning. It comprises of different methods you use to impact knowledge to the learners. We have different kind of teaching methods. We have discussion method, project method, multimedia method, and so on. Talking about literacy. Literacy traditionally is the ability to read and write. In the modern world now, literacy is knowledge and competence in a specific area. When you have a knowledge and you are competent to do something, that means you are literate on that aspect. So that's what we call literacy. We have different types of multimedia that a teacher can use in his teaching and learning. We have the video. When you play a video that the student will see and watch. We have the audio that comprises of only the voice, there is no picture in it. We have the audio visual, when there will be a video and still the sound will be there to impact knowledge to the students. The point we are to talk about now is how can we use multimedia as a teaching method to enhance our learning and teaching. How can we use multimedia to enhance teaching and learning in class? Multimedia will potentially help students to improve their learning skills with the help of multimedia elements. With the help of these elements that I just mentioned, the text, the graphics, the video, it will help a student or a learner to enhance his or her skills. It can create an interactive learning environment that can help teachers and students teaching learning. It helps the teachers and the student teaching learning. Multimedia as a teaching method encourages students to work in a group, express their knowledge in a multiple ways, solve problems, revise their own work, and construct knowledge. It helps the students as you are projecting or as you are using the smart TV. It helps the students to organize and come up with a solution, to work in a group, and it helps them to express their knowledge in a multiple ways. We have the advantage of integrating multimedia in our classrooms. One of the advantages of integrating multimedia in our classrooms is it will enable the students to learn the value of teamwork. It enables the students to know the value of working together in the classroom. It enables the students to learn the effective collaboration techniques. It helps them know how to express their idea creatively. It increases motivation and self-esteem. It improves design skills, attention to audience, accomplishment of more complex tasks. A teacher can spend an hour to explain a topic, by the use of multimedia, 30 minutes will be enough for the teacher to impact the knowledge to the learners. We are through with multimedia. Now talking about multimedia literacy. That means having knowledge of multimedia. Multimedia literacy is about helping teachers and students become competent, critical, and literate in all media forms. Both the teacher and the student have to be critically literate in all the media forms. Benefit of multimedia literacy in education. Why do we need to train or educate teachers and students with this multimedia. One is engages students. Bringing the world of media into the classroom connects learning with real life. Second, media literacy or inquiry process transform teaching and frees the teacher to learn along with the student. As you are teaching them, you are going around, you are still learning with them. But if you are using the normal way of teaching, you are concentrating more on the board than the students. So it makes the teacher to be free in the class and learn with the students, becoming a guide on the side rather than on a sage on the stage. Instead of the teacher to just be on the stage, multimedia helps the teacher to move around and guide the students. It is very important for both our teachers and students to be computer literate to enhance teaching and learning. Just for example, in mathematics, we have angles, we have shapes. There are teachers like I am not good in drawing, but by the by using multimedia, you can project, you can show them videos, how to construct angles, how to construct shapes, and the rest. So, and for another example is in mathematics, teachers show great interest in visualization of mathematical formulas and emphasizes that visualized teaching helps in abstract thinking in mathematics. The visualized teaching helps in the abstract thinking of the students. Therefore, in teaching mathematics, it is necessary to combine the picture method and the definition method. As you are projecting, you still explain to the student, because you cannot just show them a video or on how to solve a formula without solving it step by step in the class. So as you are visualizing it, you still explain on the board. So to combine the picture method and the definition method in order to improve the existing knowledge and enlarge it with the new facts. So it is very, very necessary for both students and teachers to be computer literate. Thank you.